I'm Blake with PowerTech. You already have the GenerLink installed. Here's your step-by-step process to get it going in case of a power outage. First, we're going to go over to your home electrical panel, your main panel. We're going to shut this guy off. That's your main breaker. That kills everything down here. Go through, shut all these off too. Come back over here. Start your generator, let it run. Plug in your generator. It's got a twist lock cord. Plug it in. Your generator's already running. Plug it in there. On the bottom here, before we even plug it in, you've got utility light, fault light, load limit light, and alternate source. None of these should be lit up in case of a power outage. And this will light up here, this alternate source, once your generator is running and you're plugged into the GenerLink itself. We'll plug this in, kind of twist it until it finds its slot. Twist it and it locks. It will not come out. It's got a quick collar on it. So to unplug it, just pull straight down on this collar here. This piece pulls back and unlocks it. Once this is plugged in, your generator's running. Your alternate source down here on the bottom should light up or will be lit up. That's telling you that we now have power going through here and into here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back. We're going to turn our main breaker back on to the on position. We're going to go through. Your panel will be labeled. And we start with all of our necessities. Your GenerLink is not meant to be a whole home backup system. Typically, you can get your necessities on. Your air conditioner, your heat in the winter, air conditioner in the summer, depending on the size of the unit, of course. Some of your lighting circuits. And I mean, if internet's a big one for you, you work at home, that's a pretty easy one to accomplish as well. You just kind of adjust it, you know, turn one thing off, turn one thing on. You know, if you absolutely need to do laundry, shut your air conditioner off, turn your dryer on. If your load is too big, your generator will struggle to keep up. And it'll start bogging down. You'll hear the engine on your portable generator start to wind down, not run at full. It's choking itself out in a way. In that case, we just go back and we shut a couple more circuits off. Summertime, depending on the size of the GenerLink, depending on the size of the house, case by case scenario, turn one of your AC units on. Start with a couple lighting circuits. And you should see power start coming on throughout your house. And in case of once power comes back on, the only way to know is back down here. Your utility light will be on and your alternate source light will be on. So we just go through, follow the steps, back, plug this, unplug this, shut this down, unplug that, and you should have power back on. We'll go back through everything. You'll turn all your circuit breakers back on, and you will be fully restored. A quick recap. We'll go through, we'll shut all of our circuit breakers off in an outage. go through, start our unit up. We'll let it warm up for a little bit. We'll get this guy plugged in here. It's a twist lock, so you have to make sure the orientation is right. Make sure this goes in, the slotted one here. Plug in, rotate clockwise. It doesn't twist much, but it keeps it from yanking out. We go here. Plug this guy in, give it a couple twists, let it find its spot, and it falls right in. Once this is in, once your generator's on, your alternate source light will come on. That is telling you that you now have power going through here into your electrical panel. Now we go through, say this is the air conditioner circuit breaker. We go turn that guy on. Or in the wintertime, we turn our furnace on. And then we think about what is important to us, important to our home. We got a couple deep freezers. Here's our deep freezer circuits right here. We're constantly listening to that generator and listening to the load. And then we can go through and start turning on our lighting circuits. You know, your bathroom, your kids' bedrooms, your bedroom, living room, so you can still have TV and stuff like that. It's not a far stretch to be able to get something like that. If you're out in the country, then you know you want to start with your well first, so you have running water, and then maybe an AC unit, depending on the size of your AC unit. If you're interested in one of these devices, we will supply this. We will actually buy you a generator. If you're interested in getting this set up, call PowerTech at 712-256-8702. We'll be happy to come out, get this installed for you.